So sorry, grade ones. Something happened to the sound. Let's go back. Just okay. It's a Monday morning. It's a Friday morning, the 24th of July. So let's start with our counting. We are going to be counting in twos up to 20. So look at my cursor there. Call out two. I'll just be a bit slow so that you can use and then we go to the next one. Ready? Go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Good. So we will be counting in tens from 10 to 80. Shall we count together? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 80. Good. Let's go to the next slide. So this is the homework that was submitted to Kunashe, and thanks to Riatlechile. Okay, so I was not able to capture Riatlechile's homework, but I acknowledge that I have received your homework. So I've marked it, but we will go through it together on the slide. Okay, we were given the numbers. We were also given names, and you were supposed to choose from the number names and slot them in their correct places. So you were filling in the gaps. So that is how we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, and 10. So also for the assessment, please make sure that you are able to write these numbers 1 up to 10 using the number names, being able to write it in words 1 up to 10. So when you are during the weekend, you can just practice so that you will be able to to complete the assessment. Right. So that is the first one. And the second one, it was saying Lisa has 3 sweets, Mandla has 5 sweets. How many sweets do they have altogether? We're supposed to draw the number of sweets mentioned above. Okay, and then to add the sweets together and draw the number of sweets, then use the number symbols to write how many sweets there are. Okay, so also expect a similar question in your assessment where you will be given something like this, where you will be required to draw whatever objects you are given so that you demonstrate that you understand, you can interpret numbers. You can write numbers using their number names, and you can also write it using the number symbols. Okay, let's see how you will solve this one. Okay, so draw a number of sweets mentioned above. So one had 3 and the other had 5. So you have drawn your sweets like we saw in the homeworks that were submitted. And then you write the number symbols there. It's 3 plus how many sweeties there? 5. And then all together, how many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is 8. And there we have our 8 there. Okay, and not to worry, even when you write the assessment, we will read the questions together so that before you answer, we are sure that you understand what the question was all about. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one was that Sipo had 8 marbles and he lost 4 of them. How many marbles does he have? Okay, I see somebody has raised their hands. Let me just quickly go there. Okay, nothing serious there. Okay, so draw the number of marbles mentioned above. So, and you take away the lost marbles and draw the total number of marbles. Then use the number symbols to write how many marbles are left. Let's go there. Okay, so Sipo had 8 marbles and lost 4 of them. So how many marbles does he have left? Let's see if these are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 marbles. There they are. The number symbol 8. And he lost 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then he's left with 4 marbles there. Okay, and then the other day we were talking about the money that we used in South Africa. So this is just a summary of the slide. Okay, that's correct, Gabriel. That's correct. I can see that. It was not supposed to be a plus, but a minus. Good. Excellent. Excellent there. Okay. So we did not finish that homework that we had. So I thought it was just right for us to finish, to go through everything. Okay. So here we were given that a pair of scissors cost 30 rand, 30 rand each. So we took the notes and the coins that we use in the country, and to see if we are able to use the correct amount. Okay, so here in terms of using notes, it's 20 rand there and 10 rand there. Okay, and then which is 30 rand, or you could use your 5 rand coins. Let's see, it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. So that is 30 rands. Okay, or you can choose to pay in 2 rands. Let's see if we can count in twos. Okay, let's see who wants to count with me in twos. Who says I want to count with you, teacher, in twos? Let's see. Okay, let's see, Busha, we missed you yesterday. Let's count in twos, Buhle.
Okay.
Yeah, here we go. It's 2,
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16,
yes.
18,
Can use your counters, your fingers.
22, 24, 26, 28, 30.
Well done. Good, good, good. So you can see that you can actually even use your fingers while counting. And the more you do it, the more you will be able to do it from memory. Okay, well done. So that is another way that you could pay for your pair of scissors. Okay, let's see. Um, right, I counted with you this, but I want somebody to count in fives for me. Who says I want to count in fives for you, teacher? Let's see, I see lots of hands are up. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you count in fives for me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here we go.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30.
Good, well done. Don't forget our fingers there. Thank you, Ria. So Ria has paid for her pair of scissors using 5 Rand coins. Well done, great ones. Let's see if we've got some more. Okay, now we had cocky pens to buy as well. And it was 50 Rand, okay? So one way you could buy your cocky pens is to use your 50 Rand note there, or you could use two 20 rands and a 10 rand. So it's 20, 40, and 50. So that's your 50 Rand. So there I mentioned that you can have any other combination of notes and coins. I will ask if there's anybody who wants to tell us how else can they pay their 50 Rand using the money that we have in our country. So I want to see whose hand is up. Okay, let's see. I see Aliha there. And then I see whose hand is up. I want to see who else can pay for 50 Rand for the cocky pens using any other notes. Okay, I only see Aliha. Let's see Ali. Oh, Ria as well. Now, can you pay for your cocky pens? Okay. Tell us, how would you pay for your cocky pens? Which notes or coins would you use? Okay. The last one. And how much? Uh-huh. Okay, you would also use a 20, a 20, and a 10.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, Aliyah. Thanks for sharing with us. Okay, next one. Okay, I see, Bushle, I see your hand is up as well.
Okay. Uh, also, there's another way of making 50.
Okay, share with us.
Okay, it's like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
Okay, so you'll use all 10 rand notes.
Yes.
Okay, no, well done. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Okay, so you can see that there are so many other ways that you can use when you want to pay for something that you want to buy. Well done, grade twos. Right, let's see. Wow, we've still got some more. We've got a pencil costing 5 rand each. Okay, so there you could use your 5 rand coin, and then there we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We used one rand coins, 5 1 rand coins, and this one here we used 1 rand, 2 rand, and another 2 rand. Okay. Do you think there's also another way to pay for your pencil? Is there another way that you can use to pay for your pencil besides the way that you have mentioned? Samara? Oh, Reese, I see. Yes. Okay. Okay. Abongiwe, how else would you pay?
I will pay 2 rand.
Okay, 2 rand. And what else? Remember, we want to pay 5 rand. So I have your 2 rand. How much more are you going to give me to get your pencil?
1 rand.
1 rand, good. How much more?
2 rand.
2 rand. Okay, all right, great. Thank you so much, Abongiwe. Well done. Okay. And then the last one is our sharpener. There it's 7 rand, 5 rand, and your 2 rand. If you add them together, it's 7 rand. And then there we had a 2 rand. 2 plus is 4, plus another 2, it's 6, plus 1 is 7. There we get our sharpener. Or you can just use 1 rand coins. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. So those are the different ways that you can use to pay. Okay. So the main reason here is so that you can be able to manage the money that you have. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one here, we are talking about data, representing data or representing information, or how to sort out things. So I want you to tell me here, how many stars do I have here? How many stars do I have? Anyone who wants to tell me how many stars we have there? Kunasha,
Yes.
how many stars do we have there?
5.
5. And then how many triangles?
5.
5. Okay, so if you add your 5 stars and your 5 triangles, how many do you get? How many shapes do you get?
10.
10. And then if you add these 3 rectangles to your 10 shapes, how many shapes do you get?
18.
13. Well done. Good. That's correct. Thank you, Kunashe.
Yeah.
And then the next one. Let's see who can do the next one with us. Abongiwe has spoken. Let's see. Reese.
Yes.
How many stars do we have there?
6.
6 stars. And how many triangles there?
4.
Okay, let's add our 6 stars to our 4 triangles. How many shapes do we have altogether?
10.
10, good. And then we've got how many rectangles there?
4.
If we add them 10 shapes and the 4 rectangles, how many shapes do we get?
14.
Excellent, thank you very much. Okay. And then let's see who else can tell us. Puseleto, do you want to try? Are you there, Puseleto? Okay, Puseleto not connecting. Let's see, Shan. Shan, do you want to try? Okay, also not picking up there. Let's, Uyanda.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you help us here? How many stars do you have there?
5.
5 stars. And then if we want to add, how many triangles are here?
4.
4. Let's add the stars and the triangles together. How many?
9.
9. Well done. So if we add these, how many rectangles here?
4.
4. Good. So if we add the 9 shapes here together with the 4 rectangles, how many shapes do we get?
8.
Remember we had 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Add the 4. You can use your finger.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13. Well done. Do you see how easy it is to use our counters?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you very much, Uyanda. Okay, we'll do the last one together. Okay, let's see the last one. You can type it in for me. What is the total number of shapes that you see in the last one there? Okay, Bushle, I see you. Okay, Samara, we want all of them, all of them. Aliyah, Gabriel, yes. It's 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Well done. Thank you very much. Okay. I want us to do this. Oh, there we go. I want us, let's do this as part of homework. You can take a snapshot, a screenshot. So here we've got an example where we've got 25 plus 12. So we are going to break the number down in tens and then add together, okay? So we had 25, which we broke into, we have 20 there, okay? And then plus 5, there it's our 525. And then our 12 there, okay? It's 20, it's 10 plus 2, which is 12. So if we add everything together, it's 20 plus 10, it's 30. 5 plus 2 is 7. And the total number there is 37. So what you're going to do here, you're going to break down this number 23. You'll break it down here. And 17, you break it down there, and then you get your total number, and then you'll give me the answer there. Same applies to this one. You will break it down in multiples of 10, and also the units, you'll add them together, and you'll give me the total there. Okay, let's see the next one. The next one for homework. So here we are introducing sorting, we are introducing grouping, and we are introducing a form of representing data or information. So here I want you to gather objects and sort them and represent them in a table. The same way that we put those shapes up there in a table, this is how I want you to do it. So it can be any object, it can be toys, it can be furniture, it can be tin food, or anything of your choice, which you can sort by color or by shape or even by category. For example, if it is furniture or if it's, stationery, it's just up to you. So you can choose 5 objects, and then what you're going to do is that I want you to, in your table, I want you to draw. You can draw your shapes, or you can even cut and paste toys, anything that you want, but I want you to sort them. You saw previously what we had is that we sorted shapes, and these shapes were the same color. So it's just up to you what you want to sort. So here we had 3 different shapes which we put together, okay? So what you will do is that you will get also your own objects. You'll choose 5. It's up to you whether you sort them by color or you sort them by shape or you sort them by category, okay? It can be spoons, it can be cups, anything that you want, but I just want you to sort them in a table and show us how you sort them. Are there any questions to clarify? And then you can send your homework to this email address. Are there any questions? Okay, now if there are no questions, we will say goodbye and then we will see you all on Monday. Have a lovely, lovely, lovely weekend. Thank you so much. You've been great. Bye.